Welcome to the Post Consumer Brands plant in Battle Creek, Michigan. Located in the heart of Cereal City, our Battle Creek plant is recognized as the birthplace of Post cereal. Our founder, C.W. Post, created his first product in 1895 in a little white barn which is still located on the now 65-acre property, which today includes more than 60 manufacturing, storage, and office buildings covering nearly 2 million square feet of space. Our more than 500 dedicated team members produce on average more than 220 million pounds of cereal each year. In Battle Creek, our team produces some of our most iconic cereal brands, including Honey Bunches of Oats, Fruity and Cocoa Pebbles, Grape Nuts, Great Grains, and more. We even have our own flour mill on site and a direct ship material handling center. At Post, our mission is to make lives better by making delicious food accessible for all. We are proud to be a part of the Battle Creek community. Explore current opportunities to join our team.